Have you ever been to a truck mega factory? What does it look like inside? China Daily invites Scania CEO Christian Levin to give you an inclusive tour of the Swedish company's Rugao Industrial Hub, a mega factory on commercial vehicles that opened operations on October 15th in Rugao City, Jiangsu province.
So, hi and welcome everyone. This is Christian Levin, the CEO of Swedish company Scania. We are inaugurating what will be the third global industrial hub for a company right here in Rugao City, Jiangsu province in China. We're going to enter the factory. I'm going to take you on a tour. Welcome on board. Here we are at the very end of the industrial process. You actually see a truck, a very beautiful truck by the way. The whole facility which you have seen consists of more than 31 huge buildings. We're talking 400,000 square meters of covered space over an area that's actually 800,000 square meters. You realize that of course costs a lot of money. It's a huge investment we've done here. We have actually invested more than 2 billion euros, 16 billion RMB, so US. It's a fantastic achievement to build this factory in only 2 years. We're very proud with this factory. We will be able to cover both the Chinese market, so it's China for China, but also China for Asia or potentially China for the world. A total capacity is actually to assemble up to 50,000 of these fantastic trucks here every year. Now we're getting very close to what is the very end of the assembly line. You see yet another beautiful truck. Very special day today. I get the chance to help the amazing team here on the assembly line to finalize. So I'm going to drive the truck off the line.
Hello, my name is Rutger, President of Scania Industrial Operations Asia. You just saw that Christian drove the truck out of the factory. All trucks are then taken onto a test track. After the test track, we take them into this building, where we check each and every function. Once again, here we do the wheel alignment. We have done a brake analyzer to make sure that the truck has the braking power that is necessary for such heavy products. And then the next check or adjustment, I should say, we do is the headlamp adjustment. 你好吗？很好, okay. Then we do a final inspection of the exterior of the truck, and then you have a ready Scania truck. All of you that have been playing with Lego earlier when you were small, you remember those Lego blocks where you can build whatever. Houses, animals, people, whatever. Same goes for a Scania truck. So these different models of cabins, number of axles, different types of engines, gearboxes can be combined by our customers. So we can make millions of combinations. And that's what makes Scania special. And that's a game changer for the truck industry here in China.